Oh, hi everyone. Today I'll be sharing my reaction to a real life case involving IT legal compliance. The case I choose is the Facebook Cambridge Analytica, which is one of the biggest data privacy violations in history. Background of the case. In 2018, it was discovered that Cambridge Analytica, a political consulting firm, collected data from over 87 million Facebook users without their permission. This data was used for political advertising and voter profiling. Facebook failed to properly enforce privacy rules, which allowed third-party applications to access user data that should have been protected. And second, legal issues involved. This case involved several legal compliance violations, and this is the one violation of data privacy laws. Cambridge Analytica collected personal information without user consent. And second, negligence and security compliance. Facebook failed to monitor and control how third-party apps access user data. And this third is violations of the US Federal Trade Commission order. Facebook had a previous agreement with the FTC to protect user data, but they failed to comply, and these issues highlight how improper handling of users' information becomes a legal risk. And for consequence faced by the company. As a result, Facebook faced massive penalties, and this is the one. The FTC fined Facebook 5 billion, one of the biggest privacy-related fines in history. Facebook's CEO Mark testified before the US Congress. Later, the company lost user trust and suffered reputational damage globally. And fourth, new regulations like the GDPR became more enforced afterward. And personal reaction. My reaction to this case is that companies must take data privacy seriously. As technology gets more advanced, users trust companies with sensitive information, and violating this trust is unacceptable. Facebook's lack of transparency shows why compliance laws are necessary. This case taught me that even the largest companies are accountable for mishandling data. And lesson learned. From this case, the key lesson is that IT compliance protects both companies and users. Organizations must first is implement strict data security policies. Second is ensure transparency in data handling. Third is regularly audit third-party access. And fourth, follow global privacy regulations like GDPR and the Data Privacy Act. And the Facebook Cambridge Analytica case a powerful reminder that non-compliance has real consequence. This case continues to shape how companies manage digital information today. Thank you for watching my reaction video.